Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton. New business owner putting their vending machine in our building. So we support local businesses. And here's the business owner right here. Hi man. Tell them who you are. I ain't gonna put the camera on you. Just tell them who you are. What you got? Look at all these good snacks in here, y'all. And how old are you, Jameer?
I'm 14 years old.
He's 14 years old, y'all. 14 years old, got his own business.
All right, back on track, Jameer, I think.
Look at this. That's what's up, y'all. Entrepreneurship at 14 years old. I'm telling you, y'all, that's what time it is. Teach them young. Teach them young. All right, y'all, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm here at the office, and they're loading up their stuff for the day, so had a couple projects I did today. Couldn't do videos on them, but all right, y'all, talk to you later.